Arithmetic instructions. A C arithmetic instruction consists of a variable name on left hand side of is equal to and variable name and constant on the right hand side of is equal to. So in a C arithmetic instruction, a variable name with a variable name and constants are on the right hand side, and when only variables are on the left hand side of is equal to. The variables and constants appearing on right hand side of is equal to are connected by arithmetic operators. So variable and constants which are on right hand side of is equal to are connected by arithmetic operators like plus, minus, star and divide. So star is for multiplication. So variable and constants appearing on right hand side of is equal to, so right hand part of is equal to sign consists of arithmetic operators which are plus, minus, multiplication and divide, etc. Example: int add, float, quote, data, alpha, beta, gamma. So add is an integer, so it is declared. Then quote, data, alpha, beta, gamma are float. Now add is equal to 3200. So integer is on right hand side and name of that integer add is on left hand side. Now quote is equal to 0.0056. So float is on right hand side and name of that float is quote, that is on left hand side. Now data is equal to alpha multiplied by beta divided by gamma plus 3.2 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. So data, that is name of variable, that is data, so it is on left hand side, and alpha into beta divided by gamma plus 3.2 into 2 divided by 5 is on right hand side. So here multiplication, divide, subtraction and plus, that is addition, are arithmetic operators, and is equal to is assignment operator. So multiply, divide, minus and plus are arithmetic operators and is equal to is assignment operator. Now 2, 5, 32, 00, that is 3200 are integer constants. 3.2 and 0.0056 are real constants. Add is an integer variable and quote, data, alpha, beta, gamma are real variables. The variable and constants together are called operands that are operated by the arithmetic operators, and result is assigned using assignment operators to the variables on left hand side. So on left hand side there are only variables, and on the right hand side there are variables uh, with assignment operators, that is plus, minus, etc. So the variable and constants together are called operands. So when they are used combined, variables and constant are used combined, then they are called operands that are operated upon by arithmetic operators. So that are operated upon by arithmetic operators, that means these operands are operated op, the arithmetic operators are being operated on these operands, and result is assigned using assignment operator. So result is assigned, that means uh, it is given using assignment operator. That means assignment operator is equal to variable on left hand side.